Summer is one of the four seasons of temperate zones. It is the warmest of them, occurs between spring and autumn. Summer is characterized because the days are longer and therefore the nights are shorter. Astronomically, the summer solstice around December 21 Austral one and June 21 the Boreal one indicate the beginning of the seasons. The around includes around March 21 the Austral one and September 22-23 the Boreal one indicate the end of the seasons. Culturally and meteorologically, these dates indicate the beginning of a bout of time. But sometimes the summer is all the time between December and February in South Hemisphere, and the time between June and August in the North Hemisphere. There are two different timetables, the summer one and the between on the standard timetables. The change of are that some countries or subdivisions play against for years to around the exploitation of the sunlight and the resultant energy saving cause that the standard timetables win, passing to the summer timetables. The first time that this change or ours was applied was in the First World War. Since they don't have a chain of or only the oil crisis that 1973, since which some countries modified their official timetable to upgrade the sunlight exploitation and save energy. The summer is associated as usual with holiday and fun. In most countries, the school kids and students have a very long period of vacation in each season. The high temperature makes use the free air, live and invite people to enjoy the beach, parks, or travel in general. The summers usually is day to joy and happiness. People share have fun with different activities because of this. Summer is an excellent time to different economic areas like tourism, business and others. For this reason, a big competition board attract people in two main ways. The graphic design becomes in an excellent all these purposes were essential attract to tourism to increase sales and get the shares in success. The most important thing is to create sensation of fantasy, desire and comfort.